Flavors of Kuwait. Authentic Kuwaiti chicken mandi recipe. Subscribe and like for a taste of Kuwait. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the rich flavors of Kuwait. Today, we're going to share with you the secrets of making an authentic Kuwaiti chicken mandi. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to show your support. Let's dive into the taste of Kuwait. To create this delightful Kuwaiti chicken mandi, here are the ingredients you'll need. Ingredients: 1 whole chicken, cut into pieces, 2 cups of basmati rice, 2 tablespoons of ghee or vegetable oil, 1 onion, finely chopped, 4 cloves of garlic, minced 2 tomatoes, diced, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 teaspoons of baharat spice blend, a mixture of cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, nutmeg, and black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, salt to taste, 4 cups of chicken broth, fresh cilantro or parsley, chopped. For garnish. Now, let's explore the flavors of Kuwait. Step 1. In a large pot, heat the ghee or vegetable oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic, sautéing until they become soft and golden. Step 2. Add the chicken pieces to the pot and brown them on all sides. This will help develop rich flavors and create a flavorful base for the chicken mandi. Step 3. Add the diced tomatoes and tomato paste to the pot. Stirring everything together, allow the mixture to cook for a few minutes until the tomatoes break down and release their juices. Step 4. Add the baharat spice blend, ground cumin, ground coriander, and ground turmeric to the pot. Stir well to incorporate the aromatic spices into the chicken mandi. Step 5. Season with salt to taste and pour in the chicken broth to create a flavorful cooking liquid for the chicken mandi. Step 6. Bring the mixture to a boil. Then add the basmati rice. Stir gently to distribute the ingredients evenly. Step 7. Reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot, and let the chicken mandi simmer for about 25 to 30 minutes. Or until the rice is cooked and the chicken is tender. Step 8. Once the chicken mandi is cooked to perfection, remove it from the heat. Fluff the rice gently with a fork to separate the grains. Garnish it with a sprinkle of chopped cilantro or parsley for a fresh touch. And there you have it. Kuwaiti chicken mandi, a delightful dish that represents the flavors of Kuwait. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support our content. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey to Kuwait. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make this authentic Kuwaiti chicken mandi. Remember to subscribe and like the video for more delectable recipes from around the world. Until next time, Saadan and happy cooking.